Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your laptop to a Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. Connect to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi is turned on. If Wi-Fi is disabled, enable it using the Wi-Fi key on your keyboard. Next, click the Wi-Fi icon on the right side of the taskbar. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Select the network you want to connect to. If you want your laptop to connect to this network automatically in the future, check the Connect Automatically option. Now click Connect. If the network is secured, enter the correct Wi-Fi password and click Next. After a few seconds, your laptop will connect to the Wi-Fi, and you'll see the status change to Connected. That's it! This is how you can connect your laptop to a Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials.